Hey guys, welcome back. So if you've seen one of my previous videos where I got that VZ58 parts kit and subsequently the VZ58 barreled action, you'll know that, and if you've done any research, you'll know that oftentimes there's a lot of stuff you got to do in order to make these things legal. There's also a lot of things that you have to do to make them easily usable. As I have detailed in the past, one of those companies, or that company that I got the barreled receiver, or barreled action from, barreled receiver, was VZ58USA. So recently I ordered a short reset trigger assembly from them, as well as a tactical bolt release, as well as a tactical ambidextrous mag release, just to kind of, I guess, bring some of the functionality of the VZ58 up to modern standards. Now, that short reset trigger assembly was not cheap. It was $100. The tactical bolt release was $58, and the ambidextrous mag release was also $58. So we're just gonna take a quick look at them. This will be a very short video just to kind of show you guys, hey, you know, this is what this stuff looks like when you get it from this company. Give you an idea of what you can expect. Looks like everything was just kind of crammed in there. I think I have stickers in here. That's what it looks like. Let me look at that off camera before I show it. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. Cute little sticker. I like that. Not an AK. That's absolutely right. Another cool one. I like it. That's pretty cool. I'll look at my invoice off camera, make sure I didn't lie to you guys on the price. Nope, I did not lie to you guys about any of the pricing. Additionally, what's included in here, I'll show you guys. There are notes on the short reset trigger assembly, how to install it, things to do, and then also there is another sheet in here on the tactical bolt release and some tips on installing it. So that's good to know. That's stuff that is very important for the installation of these parts into that kit. Get this other stuff out of the way, and we'll take a quick look at these parts. So much money for so little parts. They look good. Fit and finish looks good, for sure. There is that tactical, or the short reset trigger. Man, that thing looks perfect. It's nice. Very nice little trigger assembly. Once I get it installed, we'll have to do some first shots so you guys can kind of get an idea. Well, I don't know how well of an idea you're going to get, but we're going to see how well it works. Now, that is my ambidextrous mag release. So you can drop your mag from either side, which is kind of nice. I mean, you can reach up and you can reach forward with your finger and drop it. You can reach up with your, with your other hand and drop it. It's just something nice to have. And then additionally, there's that bolt release. Always nice to have. And I mean, these parts look brand new. They look good. Fit and finish looks good. I mean, it just look really good parts. But those tiny little 3 parts cost me over $200. So spiffing up your VZ58 is not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. Parts are not cheap, but to have a really nice running VZ58, I think that's a good way to go. Not to mention, they throw in some cool couple pieces of swag. So, as always guys, they don't sponsor my videos, but I always want to cue you guys into places where you can get parts and where you can get some, some pretty cool parts, especially if you need them. This is just one source. There are quite a few others out there, but this is the one I went with to get these parts. There is one particular part I'm still wanting to get, and maybe once I put my VZ58 together, I'll kind of tell you guys a little bit more about that. or just hit me up in the comments and I'll tell you. I do have a VZ58 carrier on the way, bolt carrier on the way, that has the anti-gremlin tab welded in. That's actually from Apex, so spoiler alert if you guys are watching this and you need one and you don't want to do that welding yourself, I think it was Apex that had those for $99, which I think is a really good deal. It's the cheapest I've seen. I've not seen it cheaper anywhere else. And additionally, if you guys go out to VZ58, you'll see that they have some that are a left-handed bolt carrier. So if you want to use your left hand, keep your right hand on the on the weapon, that's a cool thing to have. But you're going to pay a premium for it. I want to say those were like $150. They might be more. I can't remember. Memory doesn't serve me very well. But anyway, just want to let you guys know about this offering from VZ58 USA. Make sure you check it out if you guys are looking for stuff like this. As always, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. It is greatly appreciated. And until next time, you guys have a great day.